Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of name card for your kids inside Canva, and I'm going to show you full step-by-step tutorial and also the design ideas how I am implementing it. So let's jump to the video. So first of all you need to create a new document. Choose your size. In my case I'm going to the standard size 7 into 2.5 inch. Now from here I'm going to go to elements and go to shapes, insert a new shape, make it enlarge like this, center it, go to round corner, make it a little round. Now go to elements, search for sky, background art, this one. Choose any style you want. In my case, I'm going to choose this one. Make it full page like so. Right click on it, set as background. Click on this, change the color to white, select border style, make it line, keep it like this. Now go to elements, search for guard illustration. Now go to graphics, choose the designing one. That's it. Go to elements, pencil top illustration. Select this image, duplicate it and place it just like this. Group all the images, go to position, layers and put it underneath this white box. Now go to again pencil illustration, choose this image, place it like this. Now duplicate. Now search for cat ET. Go to graphics. Select this one and then you will get this solution. Go to flip horizontal. Now place it just right here, just like this. Now go to text, add a heading, make the top text. Insert another text for name. Enlarge it. Click on this. Go to effects. Change the style to splice. Change the color to the document color. So that's it. This is our final design. Let me know how it looks. So I hope you understand how to implement this kind of design inside your name card. And I hope you can make some more creative design using this tutorial. So thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.